Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping concepts in the automotive world, the Bugatti Motorhome 2026. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, the brand known for extreme hypercars and engineering mastery, is venturing into the world of luxury motorhomes, and the result is nothing short of spectacular. This machine blends the brand's DNA of speed, craftsmanship, and exclusivity with the practicality and comfort of a luxury home on wheels. Let's take a deep look at what makes this creation so extraordinary. At first glance, the exterior is breathtaking. The Bugatti Motorhome 2026 doesn't look like a typical RV or coach you might see at a campground. It carries forward Bugatti's signature design language with sharp aerodynamic lines, a low and aggressive stance, and a bold horseshoe grille that immediately links it to the Chiron and Mistral family. The front fascia is sculpted with carbon fiber elements, LED matrix headlights, and a sleek windshield that seamlessly flows into the body. The sides are muscular, with integrated air vents that aren't just for looks, but aid in cooling and aerodynamics. The length of the vehicle is imposing, but the use of lightweight composites makes it appear elegant and not bulky. At the rear, you'll find a futuristic taillight bar stretching across the width, active aerodynamic flaps, and even a deployable rear spoiler that doubles as both a style statement and a stabilizing feature at high speeds. It sits on massive multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in custom high-performance tires, reminding you that even though it's a motorhome, it's still a Bugatti engineered for performance. Step inside, and the interior is where this motorhome truly feels like a palace on wheels. The cabin has been designed with Bugatti's signature attention to detail, using only the finest materials, think hand-stitched leathers, carbon fiber trims, polished aluminum accents, and exotic wood inlays. The cockpit up front features a futuristic driver's console with a fully digital instrument cluster, augmented reality head-up display, and a steering wheel that echoes Bugatti's hypercar design language. The seats are wrapped in soft leather with built-in massage and climate control functions, ensuring comfort even on long journeys. Move further inside and you'll discover an interior layout that balances luxury and practicality. There's a spacious lounge with retractable leather sofas, a high-definition smart TV, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with natural light. The kitchen is something you'd expect in a high-end apartment, with induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, hidden storage, and marble-like composite countertops. The dining area extends outward thanks to slide-out panels, creating an open and airy feel when parked. Toward the rear, the master suite is simply stunning, featuring a king-sized bed with ambient LED lighting, motorized privacy blinds, and built-in storage solutions. The en-suite bathroom rivals five-star hotels with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and designer fixtures. Of course, this wouldn't be a Bugatti if we didn't talk about performance. The Bugatti Motorhome 2026 isn't just about looking glamorous, it has the engineering to back it up. Underneath, it's powered by a hybridized version of Bugatti's legendary W16 engine, tuned for a balance of power and efficiency. The setup delivers over 1,500 horsepower combined, allowing this massive luxury cruiser to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds, which is unheard of for a vehicle of this size. The suspension is adaptive, with AI-controlled dampers that adjust to road conditions, giving passengers a silky smooth ride whether cruising on highways or maneuvering through tighter roads. Despite its weight, carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power, while four-wheel steering helps improve agility. Now let's talk about pricing. Bugatti has never been a brand for the masses, and the Motorhome 2026 is no exception. Early estimates suggest a starting price well north of $5 million, with customization options easily pushing that even higher.